Hello, it's Dave Dunn here at FastFlow and welcome to this video on the FastFlow dashboard. Now, if this is the first time you visited this page, you may actually be wondering what's going on. It's an empty page, it's got some boxes, and then you've got 5 buttons at the top. Now, this is basically a dashboard similar to the WordPress dashboard, except we've got 5 separate dashboard sets. And then we can add widgets that are available in the FastFlow dashboard. So if we go to widgets at the side here, you'll see widgets depending on the plugins that you have installed. So in this, we're going to drag over a widget for Fast Click Direct, and we're going to drag it to dashboard number 1. And we can give this widget a title, so we're just going to call it Click Tracking. And we can, in this particular widget, we can track the number of clicks or the unique visits you may have set up for a campaign. So I'm just going to track the visits. I'm going to search for a recent campaign. And then I want to display this in a certain format, which is going to be stats. So if we now go back to our FastFlow dashboard, we see a new widget has appeared and it's spanning the full width of the screen. We can actually drag this around if we don't want it there, so just drag it down, and then you'll see here it's at the side. So basically this resizes depending on the size of your screen. You can drag these around, but if you've got a larger screen you may see 3 or even 4 columns. So at the top we have some screen options, and we can turn the boxes on and off. And then we have options for the styling as well, so we can make it lighter, darker, and even remove the border, setting on minimal. So depending on how you want to set up the dashboard, you can actually start adding a number of widgets. So we can go back into widgets. And you may want to track sales from FastMember. So let's add the widget, give it a title. Search for a product. You can set a period or just leave it empty for the entire period, and then we can display the format that we want the data in. So I just want to see how many particular products how many sales we've had for this particular product. And let's add in a widget for tags as well. Now if we go back to the dashboard, we're going to see a few more widgets added. And again we can drag these around. And then even change the color as well. Change the color back to light. So there you go, it's pretty straightforward. As we add more plugins with widget support, you'll see them appearing in the FastFlow dashboard and in the widgets. And you got up to 5 sets at the minute. We may add some more in the future. But for now, this is a good way of tracking clicks, how many users have been tagged, and even sales of your FastMember products.